grab yourself 2 teas. I chose black currant for all the great antioxidants and green tea for a nice energizing feel. Start to boil some kettle water, then you're going to pour it in a bowl that can take heat, and then you're going to add your 2 tea bags. Depending on the teas you chose, you'll start to see the color start to drain out. This one's red because of the black currant. Then you're going to get some agar-agar powder. The agar-agar powder will thicken up your mixture. Add 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. You'll start to see it'll change its temperature. Then put it back on the stove, let it boil. Take it off. You'll see it's a nice hard mixture. Cut your designs. Once the designs are cut, you'll get these nice beautiful hearts. Then leave them on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just sit there, relax, enjoy, feel the coolness. They will be falling off, but it's all good. Just look awesome and enjoy. Love you. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe Artistic Brows and Beauty on Instagram.